everyone. Thank you for taking time out and coming this morning to spend time with Bob and the team. The purpose of today's event was to be able to work with business owners in the room and help them to understand the true asset of their business. We run a business called Bob, the Business of Brand, and Bob is a school and education program, an investor-ready program, and a studio that helps you create the uplift for scale. Santander for us is a brand that encapsulates growth. They work with the entrepreneur to help them to understand a growth mindset, and the program Breakthrough talks about just that.
It's incredibly important for Santander to support businesses beyond finance. Anybody can set up a business, but what they really need to be able to move that business forward is to be able to understand what will make their business successful. So we look at things like knowledge, like today's event, which is a workshop around branding to help them understand how to brand their business. We help them connect with each other and with people who can progress their business.
I think today has taught me the way that I can realise my ambitions is to reflect on where we're going and spend more time thinking about what the brand value is as a whole.
I found today really valuable. I think there are aspects that this applies to in any industry, in any job.
Today has made me feel differently about my brand because it's getting me to think in a different way, think about the future of the brand and where we want to take the brand.
I think they would have learnt specifically today about how they can maybe relook at their branding, what their actual purpose is as a business, and that will help them go away and maybe reframe the branding, which will then in turn help progress and the growth of their company.
No, I'd just like to say thank you for Santander for inviting me here today. It was definitely a very good workshop, so thank you very much.